Well, good morning. Friday, October 4th, 2024 at about 3 a.m. Hi, welcome to this is Williams, Philippines. Feeling all happy camper about going, no I'm not. My trip to Lubbock. I got news I didn't want. Nothing bad, just, well, it is, but not. Got in, got the procedure done, and I asked, well, how many did he do? He says, only one. See you next time. We'll take care of another one. Huh? Why didn't you? Because we can only do it one at a time because of insurance. In other words, the insurance doesn't pay enough to take and do them all at once. We gotta, Anyway, I got 2 more trips to Lubbock to go and do this. I'm not liking this. And on top of this, I feel like I pinched one off halfway through and the other part's stuck up in there. I'm not happy right now. Quite honestly, I'm not even wanting to be sitting, but I can't stand 24/7. And standing is not comfortable. I'm definitely not in happy camper mode. It is what it is, but hey, could have been worse. Anyway, I'm having to, just got through looking at a link that was sent to me, and I got over there and, where did I put that thing? There it is. Got over and went to a place called Armadillo Camera. They're in Lubbock, Texas, while I was down there. And they got me set up. Don't get me wrong, I could have got a newer, fancier camera. But the newer, fancier one wouldn't use the lenses I already have. And, well, with just an adapter I can get for, it and a cable, power cable for it, and downloading cable. They didn't have those available. I can get, this adapter and that cable and get it shipped to me for $50. They didn't have it available. But I got, that, and I picked up an SD card for it too. But I picked up a camera. And she sealed this box up tight on me. It's a used one. But that's okay. Now the question is, how to use it? Needless to say, I got a little EOS camera here. Now to figure out how to use it. I also have this lens and another little 50 millimeter, and then another bigger lens. Well, they got me all packaged up here. Telephoto. But these, are the ones that go with this camera. So, With this, I have a selection of lenses to go with the camera, and I get the little adapter, and the adapter will allow me to use lenses from my old camera, well, my dad's camera. And I got 3 lenses on it too. So, wait, I'm not moving well today. I am very irritated. Parts of me are screaming bloody murder about why aren't you just laying in bed. But I have this old 35 millimeter, and it is definitely old. I know this was around at least since I was in single digits. So that means it's at least 50, if not more, years old. Probably closer to 60. Might even be older than that. I don't know for sure. But it is quite capable. It is a very good little camera. I'm just trying to figure out how to, do things with it. And I can take, with an adapter, take and use these on that one, on the EOS down there. So, yay. Needless to say, I'm trying to yeah. I haven't played with this one in ages. Dad actually was teaching me how to work with this. And I have no idea how to do this half the time. I'm wondering if I'm even capable. There we go. It's definitely old. I've used it more times than I honestly want to admit to. Yeah. But anyway, I have managed to... well, there went clicky. I don't think I got film in there. No, I don't have film. If I do, it's already all off in the spool. Anyway. But yes, it is an old camera that has been around forever and ever. And it works real good. But the newer ones and getting them onto computers and such to use any of them and be able to take and do anything with them requires digital. I'm not wanting to sit here and operate this, so I'm thinking of, because I've got the 2 other lenses in there. I'm not going to dig them out. I got 2 other lenses in there, and I'll be able to use those once I get the adapter with this new camera. And so now I get to try and figure that out. Hello, 400, well, taxes and getting this other stuff. Hello, $500. Poof. Not poof, but yeah. And I'm going to have to get another battery because you always need an extra battery. It just is. That's the one thing I can say about that camera. My dad's camera. It didn't need batteries. Well, it's got a flash thing down there that does need batteries. But yeah. It's also got a mount for the old, what do you call them, flash bulbs. Yeah. It might be old. Like I say, it's as old as I am, so. Yeah. I know Dad had that thing when I was real small, and I've seen some of the pictures he's taken taken with it. And back in, when I was real young, Dad was out in California while he was in the Air Force, and for a short period of time he took pictures for the local newspaper out there. I don't remember which one it was, but I think I was into low single digits, and he used that camera, so I don't know, but yeah, Dad's camera. So I just spent probably more than what a newer camera would have cost on an older camera that isn't as isn't as fast or fancy as the ones today. But I bought it because I'll be able to use my dad's lenses, and that's something I want to do when I get there to the Philippines. Kind of bringing a piece of my old man with me. Just saying. It seems to be a good thing. Now I just need to take and find something to put it all in, to carry it with me. Because, it's not like I don't already have enough shit to carry with me. Sorry about the language, but yeah. I'm complaining about how much I've got to pack and adding stuff to it. Okay, I might be a little crazy. Okay, maybe a lot. But it is what it is. Anyway, I hope y'all are having an enjoyable weekend. I hope your last day of the work week is an easy one on you, and that you get to have a lot of food this weekend. Anyway, later blessings and bye-bye. I'm William from Williams, Philippines, and hey, fish, and fish is out.